This is a 2017 Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab, red over black cloth interior. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, automatic transmission, air conditioning, traction control, USB for your cell phone. There's a look at the rear seat. Aluminum wheels, backup camera, lockable tailgate, bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, so it's fuel efficient. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.